Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, September 27th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having chicken biscuit. For lunch, chicken fajitas. Tomorrow for breakfast, strudel, and for lunch, corn dog. Announcements. Teachers, please continue to post your attendance in Schoology. We almost have everybody in there. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear masks at all times other than eating. Students, the mask is a part of your uniform. You must bring one with you each day to school. Make sure you have one when you leave the house. Today's late duty is Miss Stowe. Tomorrow is Miss Cunningham. And then we have Miss Clark and Battaglia. October 6th, we have our ACAP reflections are due. The ACAP reflection form is due from grades 2 through 5 teachers. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is Teacher Work Day. October 12th is the start of the second quarter. That will be here before we know it. It is right around the corner. We are still doing our school fundraiser for those students who haven't brought the envelope. You can still do that. Bring back your envelope with the form on it, with the letters and numbers for your prize code, and we will get your prize. The word of the day is estimate. An estimate is a number close to an exact amount. An estimate tells about how much or how many. So it's your best guess as to how many or how much of something there is. So if you had this jar of jelly beans, you might do an estimate of how many jelly beans are in the jar. So you might count a section and then multiply that by how many you think it is, or you can do lots of different things to estimate how many or how much of something there is. And it's not an exact amount, but it's your best guess to get close to how much of something there is. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.